Morning grade 9s, here's another way of classifying numbers in the real number system. Just as a reminder quickly what all these symbols stand for. So the R with the apostrophe is non-real numbers. Then we have real numbers, rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and irrational numbers with the apostrophe again. Right, this is a common way, this table is a common way of asking a question in a test to classify the numbers and what type of number it is in the real number system. Right, so I'm just going to do number 1 and 2 as an example for you quickly. So, we take the square root of 15. So you can use your calculator for this. That works the easiest. So you take your calculator and type in the square root of 15 and see what's the answer. So if the answer is still a square root, you press SD on your calculator to get a decimal number. Now we can see it's 3,872,983, etc. So the number just continues, right? So this is actually a number that's it's a real number, but it's a decimal number that does not recur. So it's not a rational number, it's an irrational number. So we tick it like this. It is a real number, right? And then it's an irrational number, right? Because it's a non-recurring, never-ending number, right? Remember from the table that we had, it's a non-recurring, never-ending number. Right, number 2, 8 over 25. So again, you use your calculator, type 8 over 25, and to get the decimal number, you press SD. So we see we have 0,32 is the answer of 8 over 25. So it's an ending number. So this time, it's again a real number, but now it's a rational number, right? Because it's an ending number. That's the difference between these two for the decimal numbers that you get between number 1 and 2. All right, the first one didn't end. All right, it seems like it ends on the calculator, but because it has a lot of decimals, it seems like it doesn't end. All right, so it's a never-ending number. That's why we put it as an irrational number. But the second one we see ends. It's just 0,32, so it ends. So therefore, it's a rational number. Right, you can complete the rest of the table. You tick wherever it's necessary you tick, or whichever one you think it is. I'll put down the answers for you maybe tomorrow or in a few days, but you can do the rest of this exercise by yourself.